Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE, in collaboration with the Ministry of Defence and Ministry of Education, has announced Project Veer Gatha 5.0 to inspire patriotism and civic values among students. Schools must conduct activities between September 11th to 30th, 2025 and upload up to 4 best entries, 1 per category, on the MyGov portal by 15th October 2025. CBSE announces first ever International Skill Expo and Guidance Festival 2025-26 for schools under its Dubai Regional Office, event to promote creativity, innovation, peer learning, and career awareness, with winners advancing to the national level showcase. Delhi High Court expresses deep concern over rising student suicides and urges effective, robust anti-ragging helpline, cites Supreme Court directions on mental health measures in higher education institutions and seeks urgent implementation. The Tamil Nadu government plans to approach the Supreme Court against the ruling that makes clearing the teacher eligibility test mandatory for in-service teachers of classes 1 to 8 within 2 years or face compulsory retirement. In a shocking incident caught on CCTV, 2 teen girls, aged 14 to 16, attacked a fellow student, slashing her face and back with a blade. The victim, who required over 50 stitches, is now stable and recovering. Adarsh Kumar, 18, from Champaran, Bihar, has been named among the top 10 finalists of the 2025 Global Student Prize, often referred to as the Student Nobel Prize. Selected from over 11,000 applicants across 148 countries, he now stands eligible for the $1 lakh award. Karnataka Social Welfare Department mandates child protection policy in residential schools and hostels under its jurisdiction to prevent sexual, physical, and mental abuse and ensure safety of children living away from home. IIT Kharagpur has retracted a notice that mandated separate seating for vegetarian and non-vegetarian students in hostels. Director Suman Chakravarti clarified that academic institutions should not enforce segregation based on food choices. Dubai Crown Prince inaugurates IIM Ahmedabad's Dubai campus on 11 September 2025, campus to offer 1-year MBA for experienced professionals with a bachelor's degree or equivalent. Canada study permits for Indian students fell from 11,287 to 4,185, a 62% drop between June 2024 and June 2025. Work permits also declined sharply by nearly 12,000, prompting many families to reconsider overseas plans. Pune-based private university duped of 2.46 crore rupees by fraudster posing as government-linked researcher, Conman lured institute with fake drone and AI initiatives, convincing officials to transfer funds on the pretext of securing access to government-aided research grants. 16-year-old Rahul John Aju, Kerala's youngest AI prodigy and founder of ARM Technologies, has hired his father to work at his company. Known for creating his own robot MeBot, he urged India to lead the global tech race while speaking at a conclave. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.